strengthening connections, understanding, reinforce the bond. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often used in both personal and professional contexts: reinforce the bond. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of nuanced English expressions. Let's embark on this linguistic adventure together and discover the depth of relationships and connections. Reinforce the bond is a phrase composed of two key words: reinforce and bond. To reinforce means to strengthen, support, or make more forceful. A bond refers to a connection, relationship, or link between people, groups, or things. When we put these words together, the phrase speaks to making a relationship stronger or more solid. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional settings. In personal relationships, it might involve actions or efforts to improve trust, understanding, and closeness between friends, family members, or partners. Examples include spending quality time together, expressing appreciation, and supporting each other through challenges. In professional contexts, reinforcing the bond could mean strengthening teamwork, collaboration, and trust among colleagues or between businesses. This could be achieved through team-building activities, open communication, and mutual respect for each other's work. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences to better understand its application. After the misunderstanding, they took a trip together to reinforce the bond they feared was weakening. The company organized a retreat for employees to reinforce the bond within the team. Regular family dinners are our way of reinforcing the bond among us. Here are some practical tips to reinforce bonds in your own life. Communicate openly. Share your thoughts and feelings honestly and listen actively. Show appreciation. Small acts of kindness and gratitude can go a long way. Spend quality time together. Engage in activities that both parties enjoy. Be supportive. Offer help and support during challenging times. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of reinforce the bond. Strengthening connections with those around us is a beautiful and ongoing journey. By consciously working to reinforce our bonds, we can cultivate deeper, more meaningful relationships. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the depths of the English language.